Hey Dazzlers, welcome back to my channel. As always, I hope that you are safe and doing well. In today's video, I share with you a super simple mirror stand idea using Dollar Tree mirrors and square wooden dowels. So if you're interested, then just keep watching. Before we get started, I wanted to invite you guys to visit my new website from denisewithlove.com. There, you'll find my brand new all-natural skincare, soy candle, and fragrance line. But soon, you'll also see my blogs, creator spotlight, and so much more. So, at the end of this video, be sure to visit the site, sign up to be a part of the mailing list, and stay tuned. Now on to the video. For this project, I'm using four 36-inch wooden square dowels that I picked up from my local hardware store. I painted all four dowels with this folk art multi-surface paint in the color Pure Black. I then removed the contents from four of these Dollar Tree framed mirrors. I checked this morning, and unfortunately, these mirrors are currently out of stock on the Dollar Tree website, but I'll be sure to make a post on my community wall when I notice they've been restocked or if I find an inexpensive substitute. Next, I'm attaching two of my square dowels to one side of my plastic frame using 1/2-inch wood screws. To avoid damaging the plastic frame, I'm screwing in the wood screws by hand. I repeated those steps to attach all four of my plastic frames. I then flipped my design over and I attached my two remaining square dowels to the opposite side. I then re-added all four mirrors. My stand was a bit wobbly, so I've decided to add some of these Dollar Tree wood dowels. I cut these dowels to size so that they would fit very tightly underneath the frames. However, adding a small amount of hot glue may be helpful as well. Next, I painted those small dowels, and I also added a second coat of the black paint to my 36-inch square dowels as well. I'm adding a bit of sparkle to my mirrored stand using these 1/4-inch square gems that I already had at home. I allowed my glue to dry overnight, and here's the finished look. I wouldn't place anything super heavy on this stand, but as you can see, it can hold several small items, and I placed it downstairs in my guest bathroom. I followed those same steps to make a second stand, but I want my second stand to be able to hold a bit more weight, so I'm adding more of the wood dowels along two sides of the plastic frames as well. I spray painted my second stand metallic silver. Once my silver paint was completely dry, I sealed it with this Mod Podge and Silver Extra Fine Glitter mix. I added 3 coats to the wooden dowels and 1 coat to my plastic frames. To help conceal the wooden dowels that are visible on two sides of my stand, I'm adding 1 row of these Dollar Tree gemstone stickers. And just so you know, I did attempt this project with the new Dollar Tree Hectagon mirrors. These mirrors are available on the website, but unfortunately, I found it impossible to return the mirrors once I added my wood screws. The frames are very thin, so I would not recommend them for this project. I think that these inexpensive stands made with Dollar Tree mirrors turned out super cute. But what do you guys think? Also, which do you prefer, the black or the silver? Let me know down in the comments. I would love to hear from you. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. If so, please like, comment, and share. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and be sure to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss my next video. Remember, I upload new videos every single week. So until next time, Dazzlers, bye.